Good morning. Welcome back to the ShabinLife. So today's episode is all about wood, and more wood. So Dana and I have a bunch of logs that are sitting in the driveway. They need to get processed. I don't know if you can see down the hill down there, but there's a lot of trees down there that need to get zipped up and somehow brought up here and split up as well. And I have a few small dead trees that we're going to drop today. But I guess I'll get started with sharpening up the chainsaw and getting ready for a sweaty day of wood, and more wood. Now that we have everything all together, Dana's going to start splitting some of the rounds that are behind the camera that have been sitting. I'm going to try and get this processed into pieces that we can split. And then we're basically just going to kind of free stack it next to the shed right now, mostly because we want to get everything off the driveway so that we can have some rock dropped actually right in this spot to spread. So we're going to get the processing. See you guys in like 4 hours. Dayna worked their ass off. No more logs down the way. Nothing in the driveway. Just need to clean these bad boys up, but they still have poison ivy vines on them, so we'll have to figure that one out. Sorry guys, thought the phone was recording the whole time, but it was not. So you got to watch me cut the wood, but you didn't get to watch me assemble the bookcase. So really, it's just a. This is the bookshelf that goes at the end of the island. It's 34.5 high by 36 wide, and it just has the bottom shelf, a middle shelf. It'll all get painted white, slid up against the 2 sets of cabinets and screwed into place, and then the countertop will come just over top of it. But sorry that the camera wasn't on. That's frustrating for me and probably for you. Not bad. See what it'll look like with some countertops. So that wasn't too bad, just a really quick, easy bookshelf just to kind of anchor the end of the aisle, and then the countertop will go over like this. I think it actually comes out, this is probably about 12 inches. I think the countertop comes out 16, maybe 14, 16, I forget, but all right. We're getting there, slowly but surely. The rest of the kitchen cabinets should be here probably 2 weeks at the most, and I'll be able to finish the glass, the cabinet, the upper on this side, replace this broken 12-inch. That way I can zip the whole island together and get ready to do some templates for the countertop. Rock and roll, man. Another project done.